I'm gonna have to fucking cut
There you go, you can hold that.
Cut half of this shit
Don't worry
out.
about me.
I hold it.
No, leave it all on.
I'm not worrying about you.
Oh, did you just have it going then?
Yeah, I got it all going right now.
Speech.
Oh no, not the speech. Oh.
Yeah, you're not very good at that, are you?
She's staying out of sight pretty well.
I am.
Yep. I know.
Yeah, it's not the same. Sorry, but...
Alright, get a shot of both the bikes now, side by side.
Nice, nice. Oh, not the same, is it? That's cute.
Go over there. Oh. I'll buy a video of that.
Yours use the sunlight, it's okay?
Oh fuck.
What?